Our president of our company, he decided he was no longer going to allow that. He wanted it everywhere at every store, no matter if it was right next door or across the street or up from the street. And some of the I guess the board people on the board, they didn't get it, and he was like, because we want our product to be just like Sprite or Coke or Miller or Bud. It doesn't matter what store you go in.
Right.
We want our product there. And only after explaining that did a lot of people, grasp what he was saying. He's like, it has to be everywhere. We're not in this business to look a certain way, as far as it doesn't make any sense to have the same product across the street.
Right.
But the thing that, made him a hero in everybody's eyes was because he didn't think in a way of, I only wanted certain places. He said, I want it everywhere. And that's kind of like how the pharmaceutical companies are. They want it everywhere. It's all about access. And if they have a customer who can't access their product, that's a problem.
Right.
So I totally get, again, why it's so readily available and why it's literally damn near everywhere. They're not in the industry to make friends. They're in the industry to make money. So I think that's one of the things that people have to keep in mind when they're consuming these products.
Yeah. Yeah, that is true. At the end of the day, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's not going anywhere. And yeah, it's just not going anywhere. It's always going to be an issue. And I think once people take more responsibility for their health, then that will change. But then I guess the powers that be in this well-oiled machine will find a way to make people sick and have them on more and more medications, pharmaceuticals, or whatever the case may be. And it's a never-ending cycle of addiction, monopoly, and all kind of other stuff out there. I don't know. I guess, oh man, it's really just a thing of taking care of yourself at the end of the day. That's how I see it.
Let me hit you with one more curveball before we wrap this up. Do you believe ethics play any kind of a role in a pharmaceutical company in this day and age?
To a degree, but I also think ethics kind of they kind of go out the window when money is involved, because a lot of people are looking at gaining money. Yeah, I mean there is a ethical aspect to it, but I also look at the financial gains and the greed again, because that is what drives a lot of this these pharmaceuticals, since that's what we're talking about. What about you?
I think that